Assalamu alaikum everyone. First of all, I would like to welcome you to this meeting, and I would like to thank you all of you for joining this meeting. As all of you have read the financial statements, the director report, the chairman's report, it clearly say that chartered accountants are taking up to 50% of the company's total spending. It's the highlighted point. Though the agenda of today's meeting is that we are discussing to this point. Now I would like to suggest that everyone would give your opinion on this point.
And there's a huge number. Frankly, मुझे लगता है कि हमें कंसीडर करना चाहिए ऑटोमेटिक को. AI has come far away. It can do bulk of accounting entries without additional recurring cost.
Mr. Zaid, you are right. The cost is very high. But replacing CA with AI is just not a financial decision, but it is also a strategic one. It's also like comparing apples with mangoes.
As much as you are concerned about cost, we can reduce it by various ways. For example, we can outsource these services, for example, accounting and legal to independent firm. But it has its advantage and disadvantage. For example, if we outsource these services, there is a chances our data may breach. It will impact on company's reputation.
True, but let's separate the tasks like counting entries, ledgers, invoices. ये सारे repetitive tasks हैं. We should give this to AI because AI can do this much better, faster and cheaper. And also don't forget, AI don't need coffee breaks.
एफिशिएंसी इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट, लेकिन कॉस्ट कटिंग की बिना पर हम ह्यूमंस को रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकते. CS brings ethical reasoning. They identified patterns that AI might miss, especially with those with the human context.
Let's look at the big picture. It's not about either or, this about both. And AI can enhance our operation, but our CS brings strategic insight. They don't just crunch numbers, they just guide our direction.
बिल्कुल, मेरे ख्याल से भी इसी तरह करना चाहिए, क्योंकि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट कोई नौकर तो थोड़ी है जिसको जब चाहे रख लिया, जब चाहे निकाल दिया. हमें इस तरह करना चाहिए कि डे टू डे रूटीन के जो काम है वो AI की मदद से कर लेने चाहिए, लेकिन जो स्ट्रेटेजिक डिसीजन है, जो बड़े डिसीजन है, जो कंपनी को ऊपर लेके जाते हैं, वो हमें चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट से करवाने चाहिए.
That's a great deal to look at it. Free them from repetitive processing so they can focus on strategies, tax strategies, analysis, and that's build the company's growth too. You are not paying them for just reports and entries. You are paying them for their knowledge, experience, accountability, and judgments.
Well said. Most important, we shouldn't forget about legal compliance. I think there is no comparison between CA and AI. AI is not complete substitute of CA. As we are running a large scale of business and face many day-to-day legal problems. To encounter these problems, we need someone who know about these legal compliance, Companies Act and income tax return. In my view, there is no one better than CA who understand this compliance.
Okay, I can agree to this. AI is not the enemy here. It's a tool. It's a technology of modern world. We should use it to enhance our expertise.
4 minutes.
And from HR sides, I can begin designing upskilling programs, training our finance teams to work with AI systems. That way, insecurities भी खत्म हो सकती हैं.
Alright, that's kind of transformation that we need. हमें जदीद सोच के साथ और लोगों से दूर ना होते हुए तरक्की करनी चाहिए.
ग्रेट, जैसा कि हम सब ने एग्री कर लिया है, वी विल स्टार्ट यूजिंग AI फॉर आवर डे टू डे वर्क्स, एंड चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट आर स्टिल वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दे कैन नॉट बी replaced because of their thinking, responsibilities and presence.
I am also agreed, but cost control should not come out the cost of wisdom.
Fair enough. Let's build a technology comprises both of humans and machines.
जैसा कि In conclusion, I would like to conclude the meeting now at the point that we should suggest day-to-day work to through AI and strong leadership role through chartered accountant. As our objective is not to save money, our objective is to strong leadership, strategic decisions. So we should also consider chartered accountant. Are you agreed?
Yes.
Agree.
Thank you. The meeting is adjourned to 1st May 2050.
Thanks.
Clap.